Shah's World. In today we are going to be making jacket potatoes. For that you will be needing 3 medium-sized potatoes around this large. You can always increase or decrease the potatoes depending upon how many people you are making it for. Salt, chili flakes, oregano, some mozzarella cheese,
olive oil, ginger garlic paste, which is optional.
For this recipe you will be needing an oven. So I am going to be using this oven bowl, and my oven is very old, so it doesn't exactly have temperature settings and time settings clearly. I have made this recipe many times before, so I know the temperature settings and time settings for this machine. So I won't be able to tell you what temperature you should use, but the time can be anywhere between 5 to 10 minutes, and if it is still not cooked, you can always keep it for 5 minutes more. So let's get on with the recipe. So we need a non-stick pan like this. Now I will be pouring olive oil in it. I have turned on the gas and it is on sim right now. Now you can add the potatoes in and fry them till they turn around golden brown for around 1 to 2 minutes. Always add more oil if you want to your potatoes. See, now you can see that their skin is becoming crisp and it is steaming also. You can always skip this step and directly put it in the oven, but I prefer you do this step because then the potatoes become cooked well from the inside also. Potatoes are cooking. Now we will be preparing a mixture with oil, oregano, chili flakes, salt and ginger garlic paste if you want. You can always add crushed pepper and olives to it, but those are also again optional. So now I will be showing you how to make this mixture. Okay, so now we will pour some olive oil in our bowl. Then we will add 1 spoon of salt. You can increase or decrease the salt depending upon how much you want. Now add the oregano. Then we have to add some chili flakes. And then some ginger garlic paste. Now we have to mix all of it together. We are going to be using this to put it on our potatoes when they are in the oven. It looks somewhat like this. Now let's get the potatoes ready for putting them in the oven. So our potatoes are ready. They have been nicely cooked. Now we will be putting them in a pan one by one and then putting them in the oven after drizzling our mixture on it. Our potatoes have now been arranged in a bowl. I will be adding our mixture on top of it. Give it a nice stir before you add the mixture on it. So you can just take some and put it on top of it like that. Don't they look yummy?
Yes, they do.
You can add all the mixture or you can always preserve some and eat it with the potatoes. You can add more oil if you want, or you can leave it as it is. Now we will be putting the cheese on top of it. I am using grated mozzarella cheese. You can use any cheese you want as long as it melts. Some cheese don't melt and they stay as they are. they only become hot. So those kind of cheese I don't recommend using. Once you've put how much of cheese you want, you can preheat your oven and add them and put it into the oven for around 5 to 10 minutes. See you soon. As you can see, the potatoes are being cooked in the oven. They look really good and you can see all the cheese melting. Wow. So our jacket potatoes are ready. Look at them. They're all yummy and sizzling. The cheese has become brown on the top, but I actually wanted the cheese like that, so I have made it like that. But you can always keep it as white itself. Now I will be cutting one and showing you how it is on the inside. Ooh, yummy. Yummy, steaming jacket potatoes. Have you enjoyed the recipe of our yummy steaming potatoes?
Like, share, subscribe, comment.
And don't forget to tell us how you liked our recipe. Bye.
Bye.